Hey guys, Daymond Westergard here again with the Rosa Realty Jacksonville, and as a part of our Did You Know series, All Things Lending, I've asked Kathy, another lender, to come today and just give us a little bit of an overview of the loan process or application process. How does that start? What does that look like? So, Kathy, thank you for being here today, and if you could just explain a little bit about that process for us.
Sure. Daymond, thanks so much for having me. As the team leader and mortgage broker for the Fabulous Mortgages team, I'm super excited to tell you how the loan application process works. How do you get that mortgage pre-approval that's going to allow you to view homes? And you know what? It's fairly straightforward. It really involves completing the loan application, submitting your supporting documents, and having a credit pull. Okay. Then the loan officer reviews the application and all of the documents and lets you know either how much you're approved for and for what loan product, or what you need to do to reach that approval. So what's in the loan application process? The actual application is going to ask about three things: income, assets, and financial history. So we're going to ask questions about who you are, where you work, where you bank, and any financial history questions include things like, have you had a bankruptcy? Have you had any judgments? Have you had any lawsuits? Do you pay any alimony? Do you pay any child support? And then at the end of the loan application process, we ask for the documents that match the information you gave us. So if we asked you who you work for and how much money you make, we're going to ask for a pay stub. Okay. If we asked you where you bank, we're going to ask for a bank statement. If we ask you who you are, we're going to ask for identification, like a driver's license or a military ID.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And that's it. If all the documents are uploaded, if the applicant is a W-2 employee, we can usually have a response back anywhere from immediately to 24 hours. If they're self-employed, the math is a little more complicated, so it may take 48 hours to review the tax returns and those kinds of things.
Wow. Well, thank you so much for kind of condensing that down in a Reader's Digest version. I know
Sure.
there's way more to it, so I really appreciate you being here today, and now you know.